so dumb how these keys go over.
They don't have numbers to it.
Oh, those are the new keys?
Yes, the route ones. Oh, thanks.
This one.
What?
Right here.
Oh, you see it?
Yeah.
Power line's going in. Use your fucking head sometimes.
What the fuck is that? Yeah, what is on here? Look. Did you spray it with fucking gold spray?
You see him kick his head back when he said it? I was looking for the word. I was going to say run, but I couldn't do it because I was too focused on trying not to laugh.
Hold on.
Get on his phone.
I thought he was going to open it with the key.
Yes. How are you?